Hello friends, I hope you all doing great. My name is Neha and welcome to my channel Neha World. And as my video title suggests, today I am going to share with you all the products which I bought from the recent sale of Purple, which was I Heart Beauty sale. So I bought many of the product, and liking any product from my haul, then you can buy them from the Purple, and I will be providing the link of my previous videos because I have made many of the Purple products review videos, so you can check out those videos also for your reference. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the product. And yeah, before moving on to the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the new video. And if you are liking my videos, please share with your friends and family so that they can also get the benefit. And yeah, so the first product which I bought from the Purple is the Aap's Goodness Giloy Tulsi Health Juice. So this is the need of the hour. Due to COVID, everyone should have good immunity, and I don't have much good immunity, so I thought of buying some health juice. Daily kaढ़ा बना के पीना, it was not in my routine because I have office work also, and I make videos also, so I was not getting time to make काढ़ा daily. So yeah, so I thought, okay, let's search some alternative and see what I found. This is the Giloy and Tulsi juice, which is very good for immunity and acting as an antioxidant. So yeah, so you can definitely check out juices of Aap's Goodness. There are other variants also, so you can choose according to yourself which one you prefer. So yeah, so the price of this juice is rupees 140, and yeah, they have written best before 18 months from manufacture, but once you have opened, you need to finish this juice in 30 days. So I have consumed this juice twice, and the taste was not that bad. You can consume it like a syrup, and you have to add this juice in water, in lukewarm water, so and you can consume like that. So yeah, and yeah, one more thing, there is no added sugar, vitamins and minerals in this juice, so you are getting pure natural juice. So yeah, so if you want to buy, and this is the must product guys, because it's not really very practical to make every time काढ़ा, so this is the best replacement for the काढ़ा. So you can definitely go and check out. There are other variants also. So the next thing which I bought is this Good Vibes plus Seaweed plus Hibiscus hydrating plus age defying night gel. So I was looking out for some night cream, so I was checking out in Purple, so and got this one. So I will try it and let's see how it will work on my skin. I have dry skin, and as you all know, Good Vibes is a paraben free and chemical free, sulfate free brand. And yeah, this night gel is for rupees 275, and yeah, I got some offer, so obviously you will also get some or other offer when you will buy it. And yeah, this is let me show you how it is looking because I have not opened it yet. So it's a it's a glass bottle. This is the only drawback, that this is a not a plastic bottle. It is a glass bottle with black color cap, and it is the series of Good Vibes Plus. So Good Vibes Plus having some different range of products, so I thought of trying. I have never used Good Vibes Plus range, so I thought of buying night gel from Good Vibes, and this is a night gel, not a cream. So let me try it and we'll see how it will work. Okay, I'm opening in front of you only. So it came with this lid, but it is looking like something in between gel and it's not a proper gel and it's not a proper cream. So let me try it and we'll share my review on this. And आप लोग बताइएगा आपको रिव्यू चाहिए या नहीं इसका. Next I ordered is this basic moisturizer. This is Parachute Advanced Body Lotion, and this is Coco Lipid refresh with cool mint extract. So this is like in summer you need some light moisturizer, dry skin, but यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो that's why I chose this cool one body lotion. And in this one also I got a good offer. This is of quantity 250 ml, and the price of this product is rupees 190. So yeah, and yeah, I think this is good only. It's very reasonable, and Parachute brand products are good only, totally matlab natural products they give. So yeah, it's good only. So and it also smells good. It's a very light moisturizer. Next, I ordered this sheet mask of Purple. I got buy 3 get 3 offer on the sheet mask of Purple. So yeah, and I'm very fond of the sheet mask, as you can see on my Instagram page. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go and check my Instagram profile. I will be providing my Instagram profile link in the description box. So I got this 6 Purple sheet mask. I haven't used before Purple sheet mask. I use many brand sheet masks, but not Purple. So this time is for Purple. So there are many. This is charcoal sheet mask and coconut one. This is apricot sheet mask. This is seaweed sheet mask. This is hibiscus sheet mask, and this is rice sheet mask. So mostly I provide my review on sheet mask in Instagram, so you can check out there. So I will be reviewing them also. Next product which I bought is Alps Goodness Strawberry Nourishing Manicure Pedicure Kit. So yeah, so I was looking out some manicure and pedicure kit, and my sister suggested me to buy and review this. So I thought, okay, I should buy this. I will try this and give the review of this product, how it works. And this is of strawberry variant, and yeah, the price of this product is 155 rupees, and this is 36 months is the shelf life of this product. So yeah, let's see how it will work. Next product is this Alps Goodness Pomegranate Rejuvenating Serum. So I haven't used Alps Goodness serum before, so I thought of give it a try. So yeah, I have bought this one, and this is 10 ml volume of this product, and price is 155 rupees. So, and yeah, you will be getting some offer on this product also as other products of Purple. So let's see how it will work. And yeah, one more thing, they have written this is a vegan, cruelty free and paraben free brand, so which is very good. This is cruelty free brand also, so yeah, this won't give you much harm to your skin. And yeah, my most favorite, this Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Mascara. So I can't trust any other brand for mascara. Previously I was using Maybelline, that yellow one colossal mascara, and that got finished. After that I ordered 1 or 2 mascaras which I really didn't like. So now I can't take risk, because I really like Maybelline New York for the mascaras. So yeah, but I haven't used this black one mascara. This is the Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. I was using previously the yellow one mascara, which was also for Volume Express. Yeah, Volume Express mascara. So yeah, the price of this product is 335 rupees, and I got this product in I think 218 rupees in offer, so which is very good. That's all for today. This much I ordered in this the iHeart Beauty sale of Purple. And you can also grab these products in. So don't wait, go check out the Purple app. I will be providing my coupon code so that you can get some. If you are registering first time in Purple app, you will be surely getting some off while using my coupon code. So yeah, I hope you liked, and I hope you loved my video and found it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video with your friends and family. That's it for today guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.